Welcome everyone. I hope all of you are well at home. Today I am going to say about a pendulum and its some basic important terms. So let's get started. Here a simple pendulum which is fixed in a rigid object. From there a long thread suspended with a metallic ball called bob. So the bob will freely swing back and forth like it. Now the first term I will say which is related to pendulum, that is length of a pendulum. The length of the thread from the point of suspension to the center of the pendulum bob is called length of the pendulum. Second term, that is oscillation of a pendulum. Look at the pendulum. When it goes from mean position to its any extreme position, then again come back to its mean position and then goes another side of its extreme position and come back its mean position, then it completes one oscillation. So we can say one complete to and fro movement of a pendulum bob is called an oscillation. Now look at the graph according to the movement of the pendulum bob. When it reaches its extreme position, then graph will show a maximum displacement. As pendulum bob came to its mean position, graph also decreased to 0. Same thing happens either side of the pendulum as well as in the graph. So this shows a complete oscillation. The third term, amplitude, that is the maximum displacement of pendulum bob from its mean position to either side of its extreme position. Now another term, that is time period. Time period is the time taken by the bob of a pendulum to complete one oscillation. Okay. And the number of one complete oscillation completed per unit time is called frequency of the pendulum. Okay. Hope all these terms explained here are now clear to you, right? If you need more videos, then let me know by commenting. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and share the videos. Thank you.